In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a newsletter on Mailerlite. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to go from a blank dashboard to a finished, ready-to-send campaign. First, once you're logged into your Mailerlite account, head over to the campaign section in your dashboard. This is where all of your email campaigns will live. Look for the button that says Create Campaign, or sometimes Create New Campaign, and click that to start a fresh newsletter. Next, you'll be asked to choose the campaign type. For a standard newsletter that you send once, select Regular Campaign. You may also see other options like an RSS campaign, which is great if you want your blog post to automatically go out by email, or an A/B split test campaign, which lets you test different subject lines or content. For now, we'll stick with a regular campaign so you can master the basics. Now it's time to design your email content. Mailerlite gives you a few different editors. The drag and drop editor is usually the easiest for most people because you can visually build your layout. You can also choose the rich text editor if you prefer simple text-focused emails, or custom HTML if you have a developer or your own code. After choosing an editor, select a template from the template gallery, use one you've previously saved, or start completely from scratch if you want full control. Inside the editor, you'll see different content blocks you can drag onto the canvas, like headlines, images, text, and buttons. Build out your newsletter by arranging these blocks in an order that makes sense for your message. To make your emails feel more personal, you can insert contact fields such as a first name tag so subscribers see their name in the content. Once you're happy with the layout, copy, and images, click Done Editing to move on. Now set up your campaign details. Give your campaign an internal name. This is only for you and won't be visible to your subscribers. Then write your subject line, which is what people will see in their inbox. Here you can experiment with wording and even add emojis if that fits your brand. Choose your sender email so subscribers recognize who the message is from. And write a short pre-header, which is the bit of text that appears next to or under the subject line in many inboxes. Click Select Recipients and choose the groups or segments you want to send this newsletter to. Finally, make sure tracking is enabled, especially track opens, so you can monitor performance later. Before you send, take a moment to review everything. Use the preview option to see how your email will look on desktop and mobile, and send a test email to yourself to catch any typos or layout issues. When you're satisfied, go to the Review and Confirm page and double-check all your settings: content, subject line, recipients, and tracking. When everything looks good, you can click Send to dispatch your newsletter right away, or choose Schedule if you'd like it to go out at a specific time in the future.